Okay, in this video we're going to examine the breadboard. This is our breadboard. Our breadboards are typically divided into 4 sections. A section with 2 columns, a section with multiple rows, a section with more multiple rows, and a third or fourth section with 2 columns. Each of these columns are connected together. The columns are connected vertically, not horizontally, so there's continuity between all of these. There is continuity between all of these. There is no continuity between the 2 columns. Just continuity between all of these connections and all of these connections vertically. The rows, however, are connected horizontally. So all of these dots are connected horizontally, but they are not connected vertically. Likewise, another set of rows connected horizontally, but not vertically. The last column, the last section, again, columns, all connected vertically, but not connected horizontally with each other. And of course, the last column, again, connected vertically, again, not connected horizontally. We're going to check our meter, or check it with our meter to demonstrate it. And I've got the meter set up to check continuity. And all I have to do is touch the 2 probes together, and you'll hear a tone. That means they're connected, they have continuity. Open, closed. No continuity, continuity. So let's check it out. We'll check out the first column. And we'll put, look, that means we have continuity. And I could go anywhere in that first column and find continuity. And again, more continuity. Notice on some breadboards, like on mine, I have mounting holes. There is no continuity between the top and bottom. In order to make that work, I'm going to have to put a jumper over there. So let's do that. Let me get a jumper out. And I'll put a jumper right there and right there. Now I have continuity. Take the jumper out, no more continuity. Put the jumper back in, and I have continuity. Okay, so that's the first column. Notice also, I do not have any continuity between the 2 columns. If I take this one out and put it here, now I have continuity. And again, continuity throughout the first column. Okay, all the way up to that point. And one more time, if I go down to this point, I have no continuity, but if I put in my jumper, I have continuity again. Okay, that's the first 2 columns. Now let's talk about the rows here. We'll select that row, and it doesn't matter if I select a different row, I have no continuity. If I select the same row, I have continuity. And if I select any other point in that same row, I still have continuity. Again, a different row, no continuity. The same row, continuity. Okay, one more time. Across this divide here, there is no continuity, so I'll go across and no continuity. If I take out this lead and go here, again I have continuity, just like on the other side. No continuity, continuity. And one more time, let's do the columns. Again, continuity, and just like on the first set, no continuity until I put my jumper in here. Oops, where'd my jumper go? Put my jumper in there, and my jumper in there. Now I have continuity. Take the jumper out, no continuity. And of course, no continuity between the two columns. I only have continuity in each column. And that concludes our video on the breadboard.